subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, we will learn about the definition that continuity in the domain of function. So this definition is quite important for solving JEE main and advanced problems, where this concept is very important, at the same time very useful. Continuity in the domain of the function. A real valued function f from D to R, where D is called domain and R is called codomain, is said to be continuous in its domain if it is continuous at every point in the domain D. For example, f of x is equal to sin x and g of x is equal to cos x. Both of them are continuous in the domain D, where D is a subset of R, where R represents set of a real number. Now the concept of continuity in the domain of a function is very useful for solving problems that related to JEE main and advanced, and this concept is very useful. Thank you.